Today, I'm just going to share to you how I would arrange my shoes. Our I was by myself when our household goods arrive, and I have a before and after pictures with like our kitchen, our closet, on how I properly arrange it. And usually I will just let them to unbox everything and just leave it anywhere they want, and I will just do everything, all the arrangements. Anyway, with regards to my shoes, it would be a different story. So back in June, when we were still in Rome, I saw this in Facebook, and I was convinced of buying it because it's really good for my shoes. Like, we keep on moving, and all our shoe, I bought a lot of different shoe racks. And it's not a good quality, like we cannot assemble it again because maybe of how they uh, disassemble it and pack it. So when we move, it would be like a crooked shoe rack already. So I ordered this back in June, and what month is now? It's already like October. And back in September, I tried to contact customer service and ask them what's going on with my order. I spent a lot of money for it, and they told me like they tried to apologize that it's because I got a lot of orders, a bulk of orders. They cannot send it like all in one tracking number. So I have like 6 different tracking numbers or 6 different packages. And at last yesterday, thank you to my gym buddy who picked it up in the post office, I got all my orders. So I'm not really like this is not a paid advertisement, or I'm not recommending you to purchase it, but I'm just showing you how I would arrange my shoes. So it comes with this, and I got 6 different packages of this one, and I think there are like 9 different stuff in here, and there's no instructions on how to assemble it. But anyway, maybe just a common sense on like how you assemble like a box. So it comes like this. So I just figured out how to do it, and I have been doing a lot of this already since I got like the first packages back in July. And so it seems like I'm faster of doing is this already. And so far I have assembled a lot already of this one. So it's not easy, but it's okay. It will take time. So with this one, so you see, you can make a box, and they have this cover. I have noticed that it's not really big enough for like my heels. Maybe I have to like do it sideways. I cannot like just stand it. And so with my rubber shoes, maybe it's on my other side. So this one, okay. shoebox. And I'm done assembling it. It was not really easy to assemble it because um, you have to like stick this together and on the side too. But there are some that it's really hard to stick together on the side. So at least everything is organized and neat. I don't have to put it back on the shoebox, and so you can see what's inside. Pretty. Thanks for watching.